Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sharmin. Today I am gonna teach you C4 plants and C3 plants. Okay, so let's get started. In the light independent stage of photosynthesis, you may remember that carbon dioxide combined with ribulose biphosphate to form a 6-carbon compound, which immediately splits to form 2,3 carbon compounds, and plants that do this, they are called C3 plants. And however, maize and sorghum plants and most other tropical grasses do something different. The first compound that is produced in the light independent reaction contains 4 carbon atoms, and they are therefore called C4 plants. So guys, that's all. Thank you very much.